If 2026 plays out the way current signals suggest, tight fertiliser supply, volatile food pricing, and supply chain fragility makes it all the more important to create a backup food source. We are going to focus this video on setting up your own regular supply of organic, homemade fertiliser and replace store-bought synthetic fertilisers. I'm going to show you how to turn a small backyard into a high-output food system, even if fertiliser becomes expensive or unavailable. We will be creating a cold compost system, which essentially means that no turning will be required. Ideally, you could build two. This way, you have one composting and the other ready to use. If that's not possible due to space constraints, then one will do the job just fine. Build it up by adding kitchen scraps, grass clippings, cardboard and paper scraps, a valuable carbon source, and leaves. Find worms and incorporate them into the compost. This is important because not only do worms break down scraps to compost much quicker, they also leave behind nutrient-enriched finings that improve soil quality immensely. Remember this, healthy soil reduces water demand by up to 30 to 40% due to improved structure and microbial activity. Avoid adding large amounts of fresh lawn clippings. It promotes high levels of nitrogen and compresses too easily, and goes anaerobic, meaning it produces an ammonia smell. Large branches can be a problem because they're thick woody material, high lignin, extremely slow decomposition, unless shredded starves microbes of nitrogen. Exercise caution when adding sawdust. Check its source first, as it may contain chemicals. It is also very high carbon. This can cause nitrogen lockup. Do not add invasive plants or noxious toxic plants that may contain unwanted toxins. Other high-risk compost inputs you should avoid are as follows. 1. Meat fish scraps. These cause rapid anaerobic decomposition or foul odours that attract unwanted pests such as rodents and flies. 2. Dairy products including milk, cheese, yogurt or butter. Just like meat, these putrefy quickly and produce bad smells. They also promote unwanted bacterial blooms and pests. 3. Oils, fats and greasy food. These coat organic matter and blocks oxygen transfer. It slows breakdown and produces foul odours. 4. Cooked food, especially seasoned foods and sauces. These contain oils, salts and sugars. They are a pest magnet and disrupt microbial balance. 5. Pet waste, such as dog and cat feces or kitty litter. These will evolve pathogens such as E. coli and parasites like Toxocara. 6. Human waste. Unless you intend to use a specialized system, such as a thermophilic composting arrangement, then you should avoid adding these to your composting material. It will cause the same kind of issues as dog and cat feces. Once again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.